Hi everyone, this is Adam from the Automotive Channel. Buckle up because today I'm going to talk about car brands that shock the owner. So if you're ready, let's get started. The Subaru Forester is more than a hard-working SUV. It's a weekend warrior built to take you on far-out adventures that leave you with unforgettable memories. Discover the new 2026 Subaru Forester Wilderness. Love of adventure, elevated. Introducing the new 2026 Subaru Forester Wilderness, featuring a completely redesigned exterior and interior, delivering even more bold style and performance. The Wilderness model offers all the off-road capabilities that the Subaru brand is known for, such as the legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive and an increased 9.3-inch ground clearance. Additionally, the dual-function X mode system is now available, providing you with even more control and stability in any terrain. Get ready for an adventure like never before with the most capable Forester from Subaru, the new 2026 Forester Wilderness. 2026 Subaru Forester. Take a look at the side profile of the latest Subaru Forester, and you can see the evolutionary path of this compact SUV back to its origins as a boxy crossover. The 6th-generation model introduced last year adds modern curb appeal to the Forester, but it still has some of its inherited traits. Every Forester comes with a flat-4 engine, standard all-wheel drive, and enough ground clearance to handle moderate off-road trips. While the new interior features updated materials, making it feel more contemporary, those who frequent tough terrain can rejoice as the Wilderness trim has returned to the Forester lineup after a year away. The Wilderness got the same update as the standard models last year, but also added a few new features, including an increased ride height of 9.3 inches, revised transmission tuning for improved off-road performance, larger all-terrain tires, and more. While the Forester offers a fresh experience that elevates it above older models, it seems to tread familiar ground compared to more stylish rivals like the Mazda CX-50 and the Ford Bronco Sport. What's new for 2026? After getting lost in the woods and missing the 2025 model year refresh, the Wilderness trim, which conquers all terrain, receives the same styling update as the rest of the Forester lineup last year. This refreshed Wilderness also receives revised suspension tuning, which has been increased to 9.3 inches of ground clearance, compared to 8.7 inches on standard models. It also has a shorter final drive ratio for better off-road responsiveness, selectable snow, dirt, and deep snow mud drive settings, an upgraded transmission cooler, larger Yokohama Geolander all-terrain tires, and improved approach, departure, and breakover angles, all to better clear obstacles on the trail. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the Subaru Forester for 2026 is expected to range from around $33,000 to $43,000, depending on the trim level and options selected. The Forester offers a variety of standard features, such as remote keyless entry and LED headlights. Additionally, the welcome lighting feature casts a beam of light onto the exterior front door handle at night. We recommend considering the Sport trim, as it offers a good balance between equipment, appearance, and price. This trim includes attractive bronze trim, exclusive wheels, and additional features such as heated front seats and an 11.6-inch infotainment touchscreen. If you have a preference for off-roading, the Wilderness trim may be the right choice, but it's worth considering whether you will actually use the oversized all-terrain tires and added ground clearance. If not, the Sport trim is likely the better option. At this time, Subaru has not released official pricing for the 2026 Forester. We will update this article when more information becomes available. Engine, transmission, and performance. Under the hood, there's a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that powers a continuously variable transmission and all-wheel drive. The output is a modest 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. For those who are looking for more excitement, they might want to wait for the upcoming Forester Hybrid, which is likely to deliver more power. Although the Forester uses an electronic power steering system similar to what Subaru uses in the WRX sports sedan, it's not as much fun to drive as the WRX. Steering feedback is minimal, and the suspension is tuned for comfort over performance. When you take the Forester around a corner, you may feel a slight sway in the back end, which can be unsettling before it settles into place. If your driving style is more relaxed and you prefer a smooth ride, then the Forester will suit your needs. 0 to 60 mph times. At our test track, the Forester Sport we tested accelerated to 60 miles per hour in 8.3 seconds, with its flat-4 engine grunting along the way. In town, acceleration felt adequate, although under light throttle, the engine's rough demeanor wasn't as noticeable. Towing and payload capacity. Thanks to its upgraded transmission cooler, the 2026 Subaru Forester Wilderness model offers 3,500 pounds of towing capacity, which is the highest in the lineup. All other Forester trims from 2026 offer 1,500 pounds of towing capacity. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. While the EPA has not yet rated the fuel economy of the 2026 Forester, it is likely that it will achieve similar, if not identical, figures to the 2025 model. The EPA fuel economy estimates for the 2025 Forester were 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway, except for the sport and touring trim levels, which gave up 1 mile per gallon in each measurement. On our 75-mile-per-hour highway fuel economy test route, a 2025 Forester with the sport trim managed 31 miles per gallon. We have not yet tested the refreshed Wilderness trim, but it is likely to offer less efficiency due to its shorter final drive ratio and heavier tires. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Forester's interior is spacious and features a tall cabin with panoramic windows and a sunroof, allowing sunlight to flood the interior. The first row of seats has aggressively bolstered seats, which can be wrapped in cloth or leather, or, in the case of the Sport and Wilderness trims, water-repellent leatherette. Starting with the mid-level trim and up, the interior offers a variety of materials, including leather-wrapped gear selectors and heated and ventilated front seats. The back seat offers ample head, hip, and leg room for adults, and the Forester provides up to 30 cubic feet of storage behind the rear seat in its upright position. When the second row of seats is folded down, cargo space increases to 75 cubic feet, more than both the Nissan Rogue and Mazda CX-50. During our testing, we were able to fit 12 carry-on suitcases in the rear hatch, with the seats up, and 28 when the seats were folded down. Infotainment and connectivity. A large 11.6-inch infotainment touchscreen is standard on all models except the base model. The system includes wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capabilities and a wireless smartphone charging pad as standard. The base model has a dual 7.0-inch display that integrates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety and driver assistance features. All models come equipped with Subaru's EyeSight, a suite of camera-based driver assistance features. For more information on Forester's crash test results, please visit the websites of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. The Forester's warranty is basic, and buyers will have to pay for maintenance visits out of pocket. Rivals like the Sportage and Hyundai Tucson, which offer 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranties, and the RAV4, with 2 years of free scheduled maintenance, provide more value than the Subaru in this regard. The limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. The powertrain warranty lasts 5 years or 60,000 miles, but there is no free scheduled maintenance offered. Thank you for joining us for another video. We'll see you next time when we sample the next automotive delicacy. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and share buttons. I know it's a chore, but it helps the channel a lot. Until next time, drive safely.